Well, I'm Kumali ma'am, your chemistry mentor. In this video, I'm going to give you the course instructions about the foundation course I'm going to launch for 9th and 10th standard students. The students who are currently in a 9th and 10th, you can opt this course. What I'm going to teach, do you know? I'm going to teach class 10th chemistry syllabus for 9th and 10th standard students. Yes, how much duration? In just 45 days, I am going to cover you chemistry portion. Then what is the advantage for you? If you complete this course, you can excel in a chemistry. When you come to the class 11th and 12th, you don't feel any burden of, if you few students, they don't have a proper foundation from a earlier school stage onwards, so they feel little difficulty in their career later. But when you are in my classroom for 9th and 10th, your foundation becomes very strong. That's why I'm launching this particular course. When I'm going to start this course is from November onwards. I'm going to start this. If any prior, like October 4th week, I will intimate you either through my community page in YouTube, or after joining into my classroom, I'll message to you personally that I'm going to start from 4th week. But as of now, I'm having an idea to start from November. Okay. And what is the fee for this course? Fee for this 45 days course is 3,000 for the first 100 students. Again, the strength will be segregated. It is like a one-to-one interaction. Every task will be given to you and I will monitor you. You need to on the camera, so everyone on a screen, I see you, I monitor you, I guide you. So you learn the concepts in your Komali ma'am presence. And do you know, ma'am, in a 45 days, can I excel in a chemistry? Yes, sure. In a 45 days, I am going to teach you, everything from a basic. Suppose if you are a 9th standard student, I consider you like a 6th standard student. I feel that yes, my student, I need to teach from a basic point. So it makes you clear in every concept. Suppose if I go and teach you directly, you may not understand some topics. So every chapter I start from a ground level, so that the student, if any slow learner, average, above average, topper, everyone can understand this class without any effort. What you need to do, just you sit in a classroom, you on your camera, whatever, I dictate the notes, just I dictate each and every point, I solve the question, just you sit and do it along with me. That's enough. And what you have to do, you should send your you are a 9th or a 10th, you have to send your Aadhaar card. And Aadhaar card, when you are sending your Aadhaar card, take a Xerox of Aadhaar card, draw 3 lines cross, and there you write giving for online class, and you send me, so that you no need to worry that someone will misuse your Aadhaar card. Cross it 3 lines, write your name, write your write like you are giving for online classes, and send it to me. Aadhaar, your photocopy, and your school identity card. Suppose, ma'am, online classes are going on, I don't have identity card. Then what you need to do is just you take your school receipt you ask your father, if parents are watching this video, provide the school receipt, recent school receipt, right? And fee receipt. And after sending these things, you when class starts, you have to on camera and you attend, right? The students whose details are shared. What is that? The student whose details are shared to me, that particular student only need to attend the class. If you share other student details and you attend the class, you will be removed from the classes. So it is mandatory that which student details are shared to me, you have to, that particular student only has to attend the classes. And the class timings are morning 4:30 to 5:30. It is a live class. What is the class timing? Morning 4:30 to 5:30 is a live class morning. And if it is an evening batch, evening 7 to 8, 1 hour class, 4:30 to 5:30 is a live. Evening class is a recorded class of morning. Whatever I teach in that 1 hour, I will give you that. You have to attend it as a live. How you on camera morning, and how you sit and write a notes, in a same way evening also you have to do. But what is the difference? Morning is in my presence. You can talk to me, you can message me, you can clear your doubts, you can it is like a direct teacher interface. And evening batch is same as a morning, but it is like in how now you are listening in a same way. Morning class you listen at evening, but that time also you have to on camera and you have to do the questions or a concept which I am giving you. Is it clear? Everybody, is it clear? Right. And one more advantage. For example, you selected morning batch 4:30 to 5:30, but unfortunately due to some problem you did not attended morning 4:30 to 5:30. What I'm going to do is immediately 6 to 7 morning itself I'm going to provide you the class. That is also like an live, but that is a morning live. Again it will be rescheduled 6 to 7. And if you are a morning batch student, if you select 4:30 to 5:30, you get the advantage that if it miss 6 to 7, you can select the batch. But if you are an evening batch student, you don't get that opportunity. Morning batch, if you select, you get the two options. One is 4:30 to 5:30 you can attend. If it miss 6 to 7, you can attend. But if you are an evening batch, you have to attend 6 to 7 only one timing. Based upon your priority, you can select the batches. But if you ask me, I always says that morning is the best time. 4:30 to 5:30 live session is the best session. You can directly have an interface with me. Clear? In this course, what I'm going to do is, first I teach one chapter. Okay, one chemistry chapter I teach you. After a completion of this chapter, I will make you to solve National Science Olympiad questions in my presence. So when you are solving the questions of Olympiad, then you get a lots of confidence. Yes, this 1 week I learned this particular chapter. Now I am solving the question. Yes, I am getting all the answer. See, before I not used to have this idea, but after attending these classes, I am able to solve. That confidence makes you to love chemistry. Yes, in this 6 weeks, total 45 days, you are going to get complete grip over chemistry. That is my responsibility. And the students who join this course in 9th and 10th, students who are joins in this course, if you are a student of Komali ma'am from 9th and 10th, when you come to the next class, like if you are a 10th student, if you come to the next class of 11th, you directly get a 25% concession in the batch. Suppose if you are a 10th, you are coming to the 11th, that time some fee will be there for the 11th batch. If you send me a message, ma'am, I am your 10th class student, this is my so and so details and this is my batch ID, if you provide me, then you will get a 25% concession. Because if you are a Komali ma'am student from your school time, then your foundation becomes very strong and you get a direct concession in your fees. And coming to the examination, every week you write exam. Weekly 5 days classes, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 5 days classes, and Sunday and Monday are holidays. Holidays time you may get a question paper, you write the exam, and after writing exam you get the question paper as well as a key as well, and you can see your score also. This exam will make you to think out of the box. I set the question paper in such a way which improve your thinking skills. So the students who are in 9th and 10th, this is the right opportunity. It is like 45 days are very crucial. Whatever you are not able to excel in a 1 year, I will make you to learn in just 45 days. You may get a doubt, ma'am, really? Can I excel in just 45 days? I'm a slow learner. Or ma'am, I lack a concentration when... No, all these are like when you don't understand the concept. What I do, I teach you. every concept in detail, in clear, with a clear pronunciation, with a clear formula. If I know in a shortcut required, I will teach you a shortcut. While solving a question, I'll make you to understand it, so that your thinking skills, your ability will improve automatically by the end of this course. You only will come to know after every week performance. By seeing, you will be highly satisfied and you will come to know. Who wants to join this course? Send your Aadhaar card, your photocopy, either your school ID or your fee payment receipt to the number I'm giving here, or in a description also I'm going to provide the number. You can send the details. So after sending the details, you can ask if you have any queries. But first, please kindly send your details. Then you will get the further details about the course. Thank you so much for watching this video.